Draw a circle with sixes below facing each other and repeat with two bigger sixes. Now join. Make a pair of semicircular ears. Draw round eyes and add a big oval snout. Put a red heart in the hands of the teddy and color the teddy in brown or any color that you like. Color it up very nicely. So that's all for today. See you soon. Draw a circle. Now make another tiny one to make an eye and then add a smile, two bunny ears and the body. Then make the four little feet and add a tail. Done! What shall we draw next? Grab your orange marker and let's draw a friendly dinosaur. Make its scale somewhat like V's. Next, draw its hands and then its 2 feet. Now comes pointy teeth and eyes, stripes on the tummy and red patches on its skin. Roar! Dinosaur!